You might think you've seen it all or probably tried it all, but the end result of today's recipe is something worth watching. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that will not only help you detangle your hair with ease, but also boost your hair growth like never before. This hair growth treatment using natural ingredients is really safe for any hair type as well as for kids. If you really want to know how I use this hair growth treatment to grow my hair, make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Our first ingredient for today's recipe is the fenugreek seeds. I want to hear from you in the comment section below if you have used fenugreek seeds in your hair in any way. I also would like to know how you use your fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have so many benefits for our natural hair. But before telling you about all that, I would love for you to show me some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help you grow your hair using natural ingredients. So if these are contents that you enjoy, hey girl, please make sure you click on that bell and do not forget to subscribe. Alright, so after getting my fenugreek seed in my saucepan like so, I'm going to add some water to it. Make sure to add enough water. I would say about 1 cup of fenugreek seed to about 2 cups of water. After getting your fenugreek seeds like so, we're going to put it on the stove and allow it to boil. We're going to allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. We want the seeds to be soft. These seeds are really beneficial for hair growth. They contain protein as well as vitamins that can help boost hair growth. Fenugreek seeds can prevent dandruff, add some shine to your hair, and improve the overall strength of your hair strands. I'm going to tell you more about fenugreek seeds because if you haven't been using fenugreek seeds, girl, you are missing out on something good. So after about 20 minutes, our fenugreek seeds are ready. And you can tell it's ready by just trying it on your fingertips. Just try to give it a squeeze and you can see that it's very easy to break. We're going to set it aside and move on to our next ingredient, which is our flax seeds. Flax seeds are really great for hair growth. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which provides the hair with proteins and vitamins that the hair needs to prevent it from breaking. So flaxseed can prevent your hair from breaking. If you are suffering from hair fall, balding, or anything that will make you lose your hair, flax seeds can prevent that. I love flax seeds because it's easy to find, very affordable, and it does the work. So after getting your flaxseed, we're going to put it in a saucepan like so. Then I'm going to top it with water. I like my flaxseed gel to be thicker, so I would say 1 cup of flax seeds to about 1 cup of water. But if you do not want your flax seeds to be thicker, then you can use 1 cup of flax seeds to about 2 cups of water. So after having my flax seeds like so, I'm going to transfer it into the stove and I'm going to allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. Do not forget to give your flax seed a stir every now and then to prevent the seeds from sticking onto the pan. There is one more natural ingredient I'm going to add to the flax seeds after it has been boiled for about 5 minutes. My next ingredient is the cloves. Cloves are really great for natural hair. They contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can strengthen your hair strands. Cloves can prevent dandruff, improve the overall health of your scalp, and also help you grow your hair much faster. After adding my cloves to my flaxseed, I'm still going to give it a stir and leave it to boil for 5 more minutes. So altogether, we will say about 10 minutes. It is time for us to set our fire off. Always strain your flaxseed gel when it's still hot, and this will save you a lot of time and stress. This time, I waited for it to cool down and I found it a little tough to strain it, but it wasn't that bad. But remember to strain it while it's still hot because when it cools down, it thickens up and it makes straining a lot of work. And I don't want that for you. And if you're still watching this video and girl, you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So I just separated the flaxseed gel from the seeds and I'm going to add the seeds to the fenugreek seeds that I boiled. So in the blender, I have my fenugreek seeds as well as my flax seeds. I already set the gel aside and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the gel with the blended fenugreek seeds and the flax seeds as well as the cloves. Give it some time to blend, and after that, you just have to strain it. Remember to add some water to your flax seeds and the fenugreek seeds when you are blending it. It is now time to strain it. You can use a cheesecloth, your wake up, stockings, anything with tiny holes to do the straining. Just make sure whatever you use is really clean so you do not contaminate your treatment. So this is what we have now. I'm going to take my time to squeeze all the juice out. I love this hair growth treatment, guys. If you haven't tried anything natural, you should give this a try and you're going to love it. This hair growth treatment is going to do so much to your hair. It makes detangling your hair so much easier and will definitely boost your hair growth. So this is what I got out of this training, and I'm going to just give it a quick stir. Then after that, guess what I'm going to add? My flaxseed gel. So I just add the two and give it another good stir. Flaxseed has so much slip that makes detangling your hair so much easier. Aside the fact that it makes detangling your hair very easy and stress-free, it contains vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids. These two helps nourish your hair and strengthens your hair follicles. The next ingredient I'm going to add is some olive oil. I love olive oil because it's really lightweight, so when you put it on your hair, it just doesn't stay on your hair, it rather absorbs into your hair follicles. Actually does the work. It can prevent dandruff, add some shine to your hair, and provide some strength to your hair strands. The next ingredient is the castor oil. Reading on the bottle, you can see castor oil is great for the hair, your lashes, and so many other things. This helps your hair to be really soft. When you use it in your hair conditioning, it can also help prevent breaking your hair. So adding all these ingredients is a great treatment that will help prevent hair breakages, split ends, hair fall, and boost your hair growth altogether. It is time to show you how to use it, so make sure you are watching to the end. I'm going to use my daughter today. Her hair is really matted. Just look at how it's all tangled. I'm going to show you how this treatment is going to make detangling her hair so easier. And hey guys, if you're still watching this video to this point, I hope you're really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will be notified. Alright, so after having my treatment like so, I'm going to apply it to tangled hair. I'm going to work in sections. Each time you're using any good treatment on your hair, make sure you are working in sections. After spreading the treatment onto the hair, you just have to use your hand to separate the hair. Do not go in with the comb right away. Use your fingers to separate the hair gently to prevent hair breakages. Of course, naturally, we are meant to lose some hair strands. So losing a few hair is okay, but losing so much hair, it is not okay. And these treatments will help prevent that. After using your fingers to separate them, then you can go in with your wide tooth comb to comb through it. And you can see how your comb will run through your hair with much ease. Always remember to start with the tips before going on to the root so you do not lose much hair. Do not forget to put every section that you work in a twist so it does not tangle again. And this is how it's looking. Look at how it's all melted in. Guys, you really need to give this treatment a try. You will love it and come back and thank me later. Let me tell you something about hair growth. There are so many factors that leads to healthy hair growth. Genes, healthy food, how you exercise, drinking a lot of water, and especially how you take care of your hair all contributes to healthy hair growth. So if you really want to grow your hair much faster, you have to make sure you are doing all these things. And the most important thing is being patient. Patience is key. Do not rush it. Your hair definitely grows each and every day. But if you do not take good care of it, then you will lose the hair that is growing, and that is how you end up not growing much thicker and longer hair. Hair breakages leads to split ends, it leads to balding, it leads to hair fall, and this all together will prevent you from getting your dream long thick hair. So the most important thing is whenever you are able to grow any amount of hair on your hair, prevent it from breaking. Make sure you retain that hair, and that is the only way you can grow longer and thicker hair. And that is what this treatment is going to help you do. It's going to prevent you from losing the hair that you have already grown on your hair. It will make detangling your hair much easier. It will treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, flakes, or anything that will help prevent your hair from growing. You all know new hair grows from the scalp. So healthy scalp means healthy hair. And the good thing about this treatment is it doesn't only treat your scalp, but also it treats your hair strands. It makes your hair strands really strong and prevents it from breaking. That is why you really need to give it a try. It will help you retain some length and also help you grow thicker hair. All the ingredients put together have great properties, and their properties are really similar. And this all together will help you grow much stronger, thicker, and fuller hair. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video with me. I really enjoyed filming it. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. If you haven't, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. After everything, just put a cap on it, leave it for an hour, rinse it out, go in with your shampoo, and make sure to condition your hair. I hope to see you at my next video. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.